allow me to show you the two wonderful things about this train. One is we can open the flipping window and let some lovely fresh air waft in. Some nice Siberian air. And number two, check this out. In the corridor, we have a big old computer screen where you can look at the internet and our favourite websites. No internet just now, but maybe in the night time, I can come out for a cheeky session. We shall see. Anyway, so far no one else is in here, which is a good thing, because as much as I like the Russian people, they are snorers, so hopefully I've got it all to myself. We shall see. On the overnight train to the Jewish Autonomous Republic. Bye-bye. Blagoveshchensk. Short but sweet, and very windy.